finding the hidden gems in the Dubai real estate market. Look, if there's thousands of houses and thousands of apartments available to everybody to purchase and hopefully make a profit, guess what? Everybody's going to be making average returns because the opportunity is available to everybody. If you're trying to get access to those properties that are going to make you more money, bigger returns, there's a few hidden gems that you're going to have to find. And I'm going to talk about a few things in this video that might give you your path down that street. Okay, guys, listen, check this out. There is a link below if you'd like to purchase a property in the Dubai market and have our decade and a half of experience backing you to finding you those hidden gems. Click the link below. We're happy to help you. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon, and obviously show some love in the comment section. This video is not for everybody, especially perhaps for not the first-time buyers who are coming into the Dubai market, trying to gain a foothold and just wet their beak or wet their feet into the market. These are for serious investors who are really looking for those hidden gems, those off-market transactions or off-market deals that everybody else does not have access to. I'm going to give you a couple of pointers here. These are just broad pointers that get elaborated when we start working together. Number one, avoid the top developers. Okay, the tier 1 developers, here's the deal. They've spent 20 years, 15 years establishing themselves as a brand. They've spent all this time to establish not themselves as a brand, but to also deliver on the quality that they deliver. That's fine. They spend a lot on marketing and commissions and so on and so forth. Now, everybody has access to them. So they're no longer hidden gems. Yes, they can become hidden gems if you go in with the right asset, the right price at the right time. But at this current moment in time, with everybody's coming to invest in Dubai, if you go to the top tier developers, essentially speaking, you're most likely not getting a deal, especially not a deal that's going to translate into money before the next 3 or 4 years. You're going to have to wait. Why? These top developers, top tier developers, price their product with a 3-year price point in mind. They're pricing it 3 years price point in mind. So if you're buying something today at 1,000 dirhams per square foot, understand that really it should be about 700 dirhams per square foot. That's 300 dirhams. They just expect the market to grow in that way in the next year. So if you luck out, you might, if you get blessed, you might buy something at 1,000, which is at 1,300 dirhams per square foot in 3 years. Otherwise, everybody's got access to them. You're no special. You're not kind of find a hidden gem over there. Number one. Number two, unless it's peculiar. We've had a situation, and I'm going to give you an exception. Shoreline Community, amazing community. We pick up every single apartment in there is being sold at 2,300 dirhams per square foot. We pick up something at 1,700 dirhams per square foot. Same development. The 500 dirhams per square foot is an amazing deal already, okay? Number two, if everybody knows about it, you're too late. I'll give you a fair example. Nothing wrong with this community. It's a great community, but the Valley, okay? The Valley was launched in 2018, 2019, okay? Price points 1.4, 1.6 million for a 4-bed, 1.4 million for a 3-bed. The reality of the situation was Valley was a little bit farther out of the city at that time, so they really wanted people to buy, and they priced them at 1.4, 1.6. 2018, 19, 20, we lived through the pandemic. 2021 came around, 2022 came around. It wasn't until the end of 2022 that prices seriously starting escalating in the Valley. Today, in the Valley, the price points for a 3-bedroom, which was launched at 1.4, 1.5, today is at 2.4. It's 1 million dirhams more. It's $330,000 more, okay? Even with the given inflation, the prices are high. But now if you're trying to go into the Valley, these aren't hidden gems. Everybody knows about them, okay? Last but not the least, if there's a certain area now that everybody's talking about, for instance, Dubai World Central, you should know that developers who are selling and individuals who are selling have already started pricing their properties higher, 5%, 7%, 10% higher. The time to buy into Dubai World Central was pre-2021, which essentially means 2018 or 2019, because in 2021 or 2020, during the pandemic year, you wouldn't have bought over there. But now, how do you still go there and find hidden gems? The idea is you go to the residential areas now, try to find the right terms and the right pricing on the right developer. I'll tell you something. Here's a hidden gem. Identifying a developer that's already developed and delivered 3, 4, 5 projects, 2, 3, 4, 5 projects. They are a developer that's committed to Dubai. They didn't come in here for a one-off quickie. We call it do and fly. They are committed, so you can see that they've got this roadmap of development and they're delivering good quality developments. These people, you got to catch them on the earlier on, the second or the third development or the fourth development. Even if they've done 5 or 6 or 7, that's fine, as long as their brand is not super known in the market, because they're still trying to sell to you, will give you a discount, will give you things that you might need to be able to make that transaction. This is what you need to do when you're really trying to find those hidden gems. You got to go off market, use an advisor. There's a link below, hit it, click it, let's talk, and then try to figure out if this is not accessible to everybody else in the market. The deals that are accessible to everybody and make sense to you as well, guess what? They give you average or below average returns. You want to work with us? There's a link below. Hit it, click it, let's talk. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon, and show us some love in the comment section. Ask us a question. We'll be happy to answer. Ciao for now.